Pag may shooting, may mga shooting invitation, Mr. Chair, nanghihiram lang po ako ng baril, Mr. Chair.
Pero you have your own personal gun, I suppose. Siyempre, aside from the issued gun to you, di ba? Meron kang sarili.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Anong klaseng baril ito, pistol ito?
45 caliber, Mr. Chair.
45. Have you ever tried firing an M16?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You're familiar with the parts of the M16?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So pagka, halimbawa, pinakita sa iyo isang rifle, pwede mong sabihin kung M16 yan o hindi.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Anong bala ng M16? Ano ang bala ng M16?
Yung 556 at saka 223, Mr. Chair.
223 tsaka 556, tama?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Anong difference ng dalawa?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
So, dun sa pina-fire mo, anong ginagamit mong bala? 556 o 223?
Hindi ko po ma-distinguish, Mr. Chair, yung difference nila, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Are you left-handed or kanan ng...
Kanan po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Dagdag ko lang yun. Nung December, kasi we'll just show the picture, no, Captain Albotra, no, para... kasi hanggang ngayon hindi kami makapaniwala that you were sent sa City of Calamba for 6 days. Pero 23 days, tapos 6 days ka nandun. And for nothing, then tapos ibinalik ka agad sa ano. And true enough, yung mga sinasabi ni GM Garma na nagkakaroon tayo ng cross jurisdiction. If you remember it right, in the last hearing, she mentioned about yung cross jurisdiction pagdating sa war on drugs. At precisely in this purpose, si Albotra from Region 7 dinala sa Calamba. And then after, namatay si Tony Halili, and then wala na rin siya doon. And si Garduque, you were assigned sa Los Baños only for 4 months. December, January, February. Di ba? March, nawala ka na doon eh, correct?
Yes.
Bakit
Your Honor,
3 buwan ka lang naandun?
May order na po ako for schooling, Your Honor, sir.
Kasi normally yan, talaga 2 years eh. Ikaw, 3 buwan ka lang na na-assign sa Los Baños. Why?
Nag-schooling na po ako, sir, Your Honor.
Schooling sa?
Yung mandatory schooling namin, Your Honor, sir.
Anyway, at isa pang reason that we wanted to be clarified was yung CIDG sa regional. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, si Colonel Patay pala ang CIDG chief. Ikaw, Colonel Patay, ang chief noon, no? Ng CIDG. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Bakit si Andula ang napili mo para umaresto kay Konsehal Norbin Tamisin? At hindi yung hepe ng lalawigan na Laguna. Kasi Kabuyaw, kalapit lang ng halos ng Los Baños, isang bayan lang ang pagitan. Why?
Mr. Chair, as I can recall what Colonel Andulan have said, the warrant of arrest was released sometime on October 2022. Tama? 22. I was already relieved on that time, Mr. Chair.
Ano, what?
I was already relieved as regional chief at the time.
Na-relieve ka na?
Yes, if that warrant was issued sometime on October 2022, I was not anymore the regional chief.
So, meaning Colonel Patay, hindi ka nag-order kay Andula na arestuhin yung si...
If that warrant, Mr. Chair, as I've said, was uploaded or uploaded or discovered by them through e-warrant on October 2022, I guess I was already relieved because I can remember I was relieved there on the first or second quarter of that year.
Okay. Andula, hindi ka ba tinawagan ni Captain Albotra para ikaw ang mag-serve ng warrant kay Norbin Tamisin?
Negative, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Uh,
Sir, clarify lang, sir. During na-assign po ako ng Batangas, si Colonel Patay po ang naging RC ko. But during the implementation of the search, arrest warrant of Mr. Norbin Manisin, iba po yung RC ko noon that time, sir. Si Colonel Ramon Paranada that time po ang nag-RC ko, sir.
So in other words, kayo yung mga nag-operate para mahuli si Norbin Tamisina.
Actually, sir, it was the informant, sir, nung nagpunta po siya sa from Los Baños to Batangas para po to meet this friend na yung friend po nung tao natin, personnel from Batangas. Doon nag-confess po. Ayun po, sir. Doon po namin na sinerch, binalidate kung may warrant nga po talaga si Mr. Norbin.
You're telling us na nag-confess. Nag-confess siya?
Yung informant, sir.
Yung informant.
The friend of Mr. Tamisin, sir.
Yung kaibigan niya, nagsabi na siya pumatay.
No, sir. Na yung kung saan kung saan location po ni Mr. Tamisin, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Yung informant lang po, sir, nagturo.
So, hindi kayo close ni Konsehal Tamisin?
Nung na-arresto po namin siya and na-brought dun sa office, nakakapag-usap naman po kami ni Konsehal, sir.
Kailan kayo huli nagkausap? 4 years ago?
Yes, sir. Nung, po, sir, at least 1 week, I think, 1 week, nung na-apprehend namin siya, nadala sa office, 1 week lang po kami nagkasama ni...
So, the last time that you called him 4 years ago, nung nahuli siya?
Yes, sir. Nung nahuli pa po siya. And I was relieved din, no? November din po, sir. Opo.
You are under oath, ha?
Yes, sir. Opo.
Did you call him yesterday?
No,
Did you
sir.
call him yesterday?
No, sir. No, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Norbin Tamisin, did he call you?
Yung tao niya po ang tumawag sa akin at pinapakamusta kung ano
Ano pangalan ng tao niya?
Sir Asis po.
Asis.
Pinapakamusta po kung ano daw lagay ng kaso ko.
May tao ka bang Asis?
Ano po siya, sir? Member po siya ng Batangas CIDG, sir.
Kaya nga, sinabihan mo si Asis na tawagan siya.
No, sir. No po. Hindi po, sir. Yes,
Bakit mangungumusta yung tao mo? Bakit kukumustahin siya? Dahil a-attend siya ng hearing today. Correct?
No, sir. I was assigned na sa Cavite, sir.
Hindi nga, tinatanong ko nga, bakit nga pinatawag mo yung tao mo sa kanya kagabi? What's the reason behind? Do you have any intention of...
No, sir. I have no intention whatsoever, sir, na patawagin.
So, tao mo yung Asis?
Before, sir, tao ko po siya nung naging Batangas CIDG po ako, sir.
Okay. Ano na lang, Colonel, last na.
Sige.
Last na po to, tapos bigay ko na po sa inyo. Captain Albotra, kasi pag pinakita natin yung mga picture, no, hindi namin sinasabi na ikaw pumatay. Katulad naman ng sinabi ni GM Garma, ang pinagmalaki mo lang sa kanya ay kasama ka sa team. Most likely, hindi ka naman sniper, correct? Hindi ka naman nag-aral ng long shot, Tama?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Oo. At pag tinignan naman natin yung ban, FB ban, ikaw yung, allegedly, pag nakikita natin yung itsura, lahat, may bumabang isang malaki katawan. Ikaw, nagba-bodybuilding ka, di ba?
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako
Hindi ka nagba-bodybuilding?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
So, natural yung katawan mo?
Push up lang minsan, Mr. Chair.
Na ganyan na malaki. So, hindi namin sinasabi na ikaw yung bumarel. Kasi yung FB, most likely, andun yung mga tao, andun yung driver, no? At nung umatras doon sa may pader, na kung saan andun yung munisipyo, doon tinira si Mayor Perez. And doon din sa kay Tony Halili, may nakita din doon na malaki katawan, pareho ng relo mo, pareho ng build mo, pareho ng gupit mo. Di ba? But, of course, hindi natin ma-identify yung muka. And even din sa kay Mayor Cesar Perez, hindi rin natin ma-identify yung muka kasi may takip. Di ba? At actually, as a matter of fact, hindi pa natin na-enhance itong mga video na to because we just received it yesterday, you know. So now, most likely, kung tama yung assessment ni GM Garma, nakasama ka lang sa team at ikaw lang nag-organize, ikaw lang nag-intel, ikaw lang nag-operate nung operation, ay hindi ikaw ang gunman na bumira doon. At kung ito'y utos lamang sa inyo, no? Most likely, syempre, we can understand na ang inyong ginagawang trabaho is yung pong tinatawag po nating war on drugs. Di ba? We're not saying that you are all involved in the killing, the actual shooting of the mayors, but maybe part of the team as what GM Garma was saying, no? And as a matter of fact, yung pong sinasabi ni former senator about the reward system at sinasabi din ni GM Garma, most likely ito yung nakuha nila. But this is not all about money. This is all about the order coming from the higher ups, no? Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Major Captain Albotra, during the time that Cesar Perez, Mayor Cesar Perez was killed on December 3, 2020. Ano kanon at nasaan kanon?
Mr. Chair, ako po ay nasa Cebu. Actually, Mr. Chair, nakita ko po yung video kanina at 100% po ako na hindi po ako yun, Mr. Chair, kasi tayo po ang the best na nakakilala sa sarili natin. And nung binanggit niyo po yung picture, Mr. Chair, nag-send po sa akin yung kaibigan ko kung saan ako, Mr. Chair, and I can show it here, Mr. Chair, kung saan po ako sa Cebu City, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so hindi ka lumipad ng Manila during that time?
Pardon, Mr. Chair?
Hindi ka lumipad, pumunta ng Maynila from
Yes po,
Cebu
Mr.
during
Chair.
that time?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. How did you able to get a in accordance with your affidavit, nakakuha ka nakasecure ka ng 2018 na ticket. Yung booking reference mo sa Cebu Pacific na kino-confirm yung flight mo going back to Cebu nung June 29, 2018. Were you able to secure this from Cebu Pacific?
Yan po ay saved email po, Mr. Chair. Luckily, nandun po sa email po, Mr. Chair, yung mga electronic tickets na yan po, Mr. Chair.
Ito nung umalis ka nung June 29, 2018.
June 29 po, yan po yung nagkuha po ako ng ticket and yung schedule ko po is June 30, Mr. Chair.
June 30,
Opo,
nung
Mr.
bumalik
Chair.
ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Di ba?
Yes, Mr.
Tama?
Chair.
Okay. So, the whole of December and November of 2020, you were in Cebu.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Siguraduhin mo, during the whole time of November and the whole time of December, you were in Cebu.
Anong
December 3. Prior to December 3, 2020, the whole of November and the whole of December, you were in Cebu. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Cebu ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you. So, Chairman, for the meantime, I yield to you, to the Chairman.
Sige, thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chairman.
Hernandez. If I may lang, I will recognize you, Your Honors. I'll just have a short question. Gusto ko lang malaman, for my education, kapag ang pangalan ng isang pulis ay may nakalagay PEMS, ano ibig sabihin nun? PEMS. PEMS. Okay. Sige. Kasi meron akong information. Gusto ko lang tanungin si Major Albotra kung kilala mo ba si PEMS Reynaldo Solantes.
Kilala ko po siya, Mr. Chair.
Kilala mo ba si PEMS Arvin Talaver? Geroy.
Hindi ko po
Si
kilala, Mr. Chair.
Arvin Geroy, hindi?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Kilala. So, si Reynaldo Solantes, kilala mo.
Matagal na po, Mr. Chair.
Saan siya naka-assign ngayon?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo alam.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
So, siya ba ay sniper?
Wala po akong idea, Mr. Chair. Sniper po siya, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi mo alam.
Yes,
Kung
Mr. Chair.
Kung meron kaming ipakita sa yung litrato na magkasama kayo at meron kayong pinapaputok na mga sniper rifle, maniniwala ka na?
Siguro, Mr. Chair.
Sige, I will show that to you later. Congressman Paduano?
Mr. Chairman, going back to the service record of all those invited resource person with regards from the PNP, Mr. Chairman, we have only received a copy of the service record of those police officers from 2015 to 2019. And can I address the DPRM to submit to this committee? Is the DPRM representative present? Kindly submit all the service record of all those police officers being mentioned in this hearing. Kasi kahit yung kay Colonel Patay, we will receive until 2019, and the subject now for investigation in Los Baños was in the year 2020. Kindly submit it before the next hearing.
We will comply, sir.
Please, thank you. Mr. Chairman, I think Congressman Pumaren is raising his hand before I...
Yes,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chairman, one inquiry lang. Do we need to list our names if you want to ask some
Yes.
questions, or it's just going to be a free-flowing?